Hello, friends. Today, I'm going to tell you a story that might just change the way you look at life. It's the story of a boy named Ryan, a lazy boy, yet quietly intelligent. He always avoided hard work, but when life tested him, his mind became his greatest strength. Ryan lived in a small village with his parents. Every day, he helped his father in the fields, but all he ever did was scare away the birds. Others would run around with sticks, but Ryan tied ropes across the field so he could just pull them while lying down. His father often said, "Son, shortcuts never last." But Ryan would smile and say, "Dad, as long as the job gets done, right?" Then one summer, everything changed. A terrible drought hit the village, and his father fell sick. The farm was now his responsibility. He tried, but he wasn't used to hard work. The crops started dying. That night, he looked at the stars and whispered, "I wish I had learned earlier." The next morning, a royal messenger arrived. "The king has announced a grand competition. The winner will receive a chest of gold." Ryan saw a chance, not just for gold, but to save his family. When the race began, everyone jumped into the lake to swim. Ryan stood there quietly, thinking. Then he ran to the forest, built a small raft, and said with a smile, "It's a race to cross the lake, not to swim it." He rowed slowly, steadily, and reached the other side before most. In the final challenge, everyone pushed heavy wooden blocks. Ryan took a knife and carved his block into a ball. He rolled it all the way to the finish line and won. Everyone cheered. The lazy boy had become the clever hero. Moral: success doesn't always come from strength, but from smart thinking, purpose, and heart.